Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to my vlog. Okay. I watched an episode of Jeopardy and Ken Jennings name a few giant killers. Okay. Danielle Marlowe, I forgot her last name. Uh, Defeated Mattea Roach. Uh, Nancy Zerg, Emma Betcher, uh, Aaron Taslin, and Jonathan Fisher. Okay. And now Andy Taro, okay, is also added. But he forgot a few people. Brian Loughnane that had defeated Julia Collins, Diane Peloquin that had defeated Arthur Chu, uh, and Gabe Brison-Trezise, however to pronounce his name, defeated Jason Zuffernary, and who else? About to look up. Okay, he forgot Michael Baker, that had defeated Matt Jackson. He was a giant killer. Okay, and Margie Eulner Ott defeated Seth Wilson. She's a giant killer. Okay, I'm on J Archives right now. Okay, and let's see who else. Who else Ken Jennings forgot to mention. Okay, that's also a giant killer. Okay, all right. Victoria Groce, Groce. She's a giant killer. Defeated Madden. David Madden. Yep. All right. So who else we forgot? And also Nancy Dunhauser. Okay. And Ken Jennings forgot to mention Eric Ahasic. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is the name right here. Danielle Maurer. Yeah. That's the giant killer that defeated Mattea Roach, and Erica Ahasic defeated Ryan Long. He's a giant killer of Ryan Long, and and Jonathan Fisher. He already mentioned Jonathan Fisher. Okay, and Nancy Dunhauser. She also a giant killer. Okay, read the words. Okay, read the lines. Okay, go on jarchives .com and look at all the seasons of Jeopardy in a few episodes. Okay, all right, because Ken Jennings forgot to mention uh, 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 Nancy Dunhauser. Okay, and then after that she got defeated by Tyler Rode. Won 5 games in a row. Almost made it for his 6th win. Mm-hmm. So that's all to it. Okay. Uh-huh. So in season 38, okay, we have let's see, Jonathan Fisher, that's 1. Amy Dunhauser, that's 2. Okay. Ron Telsma, that's 3. Okay. And Danielle Maurer, that's 4. And Erica Ahasic, that's 5. Okay, so 5 giant killers in season 38. Okay, all right. So remember, read between the lines and do the math. Okay. Honestly, I'm not really good at math anyway. Okay. Okay. Chris Panuzza won so many games. Okay. Game 22 almost made it for his 22nd game. Okay. Yep, I guess Ryan Chang was hoping to face off against Chris Panul, but it wasn't meant to be on that one. Okay. All right, so anyway, not only that, I mentioned Scarlett Sims already. Okay, she's the giant killer of Austin Rogers. Okay, because do y'all remember Scarlett Sims that defeated Austin Rogers? You know, he won 12 games in a row. Either way around, she's a giant killer. Okay, won 12 games in a row. Austin Rogers I'm talking about. So double digits. I don't care if it's just 11. Okay, so them challengers still considered a giant killer. Okay, to my knowledge. Okay, so Jeopardy fans, Mayim Bialik, Ken Jennings, Jonathan, Johnny Gilbert. There's a few giant killers on the list. Okay, one that defeated Austin Rogers. Okay, all right, and the one that defeated Matt Jackson. True. Okay, all right. So like I said, they are giant killers if they defeated Jeopardy champs in the double digits. Okay, so I'm so anyway, Mark Japiga is not a giant killer at all. Okay, he's a spoiler. Okay, so they ain't had no giant killers in season 29. Okay, all right. So today's episode is naming a few giant killers that Ken Jennings didn't mention. Okay, all right. Yep. So that's all I'm gonna say. Okay, but I think I'm gonna put it in in the description below on two of my channels. Okay. All right. So I don't know which channel y'all gonna watch this video on, the Domino 866 gameplay channel or the Domino 7 vlog channel. Okay. So I'm going I'm going put the names of the giant killers that Ken Jennings forgot to mention. Okay. All right. So like I said, they consider as giant killers as well. Okay. All right. So look at the list in the description, and y'all gonna see the names that that he that Ken Jennings forgot to mention. Okay. All right. That's all I got to say. All right. I hope y'all look at the description. Okay. So make sure y'all look at the description below. Okay. Name of this title is Domino 7 Vlog Jeopardy Giant Killers Ken Jennings forgot to mention. Okay? All right. So, all right then. That's all I got to say. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Okay? Bye.